Installing Windows shouldn't feel like solving a puzzle. Let's clear that partition error in record time. First, boot your PC from your Windows installation USB or DVD. At the Install Windows screen, press Shift plus F10 to pop open command prompt, like a secret shortcut. Type diskpart, hit enter. Now, type list disk to see your drives. Spot your target disk, usually disk 0, and type select disk 0. Replace 0 if your disk number is different. Next, type clean. Warning, this erases everything. Now type convert GPT to set the right partition style. Time to build new partitions. Type create partition EFI size =sign 250. Then format quick Fs =sign FAT32 label =EFI. Create a primary partition with create partition primary, then format quick Fs =sign NTFs label =sign Windows. Exit out of diskpart and command prompt. Back at the installer, click next, pick your fresh partition, and you're off. Still stuck? Try reformatting your USB to FAT32, check BIOS boot settings, or run CHKDesk for stubborn drives.